So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two tests. The first test is I'm going to take this drone off. That's going to be its home point. I'm going to fly it in under that cover over there. Let it go in there, and then I'm going to press return to home while it's still in the air. And then it should work itself out and land back there. But you've got to do a couple of settings first, guys. The first thing we need to do, guys, is go into your settings. We then make sure that you've got bypass on, because we've got some pillars there. We want the drone to go around it. We don't want it laying in there. And then the next thing, we scroll down till we get to advanced return to home. Now, usually when you buy a drone, it'll be on preset. And the only reason it's on preset is usually when you're flying your drone normally and you've got buildings like this or high trees, you set the height that you want. But on this, we put it on optional. You're going to understand it in a moment. So we're going to get the drone up in the air. We've already got the satellites. We've got enough power. So auto take off. Okay, I'm just going to send up a little bit. I'm going to send the drone out. Okay. I'm just going to make sure I go under. So we're in that building there. Let's drop it down a little bit more. Okay, there's a few obstacles in there. Oh, got to do that. Do a little bit more. Okay, I've got a camera set up down in there. Alright, I can see the camera now. I'm going to fly it towards the camera a little bit. You can hear the avoidance kicking in. I'm going to drop it down a little bit more, not too much. Okay, now I'm going to press return to home.
Return to home.
So there's a column there you just saw, just went past. You can see the green flow where the drone's going, and it's going to come back in air. Now there's times you may need to use that. Maybe you had got lost in there and you was a bit panicky and you just pressed the return to home and the drone's just gonna get it. Isn't it amazing? So intelligent, isn't it? That it does all that in such a little drone. And it's landed back on the H. So in the second part of this, what I'm going to do now is send the drone up. Going to send it out a little bit of a distance, and then I'm going to turn off the controller. Now, usually with all my Mini 3, 4, and now 5, I send the drone out. Now, I have been doing that over the sea, but the sea's miles away from here today. But I just thought I'd just do it over this way, turn off the controller, the drone will come back. And I think it just makes you feel confident that if you did, for some reason, the drone, well, the controller just packed up or blacked out, you know that drone's going to come back. So this is the second test. So let's get the drone up in the air. Okay, we're in the geo zones. I'm not going to put it up too high. I'm going to put up the drone up to, I don't think somehow this drone's going to come back like precision landing. I think it's going to come back near it. I'll be amazed if it did, but that would be great. So we have got some pylons, if you notice, to my there we've just gone past. Okay, so we're going to send the drone out, bring it up a little bit more, so above the building. We'll send it off out that way. Yeah, that's right. Just checking. I had the screen record on then. I had. Got some birds about. I haven't sent it out too far. but it just proves what happened. Anyway, I'm going to turn off my control now. Well, obviously what's going to happen, my screen record's not going to record anymore. I'll just turn that off anyway. And you're going to see that I'm just going to turn off the controller itself. I don't know if you can see it, it's shutting down. Now what will happen, it won't happen straight away, so don't panic too much, but it will kick in, usually about a minute. It will realise, hang on a minute, there's no signal, but I'm coming back. Got a load of pigeons there. I can see the drone, which is a good sign. I can see the cables. Now hopefully it is going to follow the path that it went up and not land on the cables. Or even worse, land on that building. But I've got a lot of faith. Okay, it's not to land on, I don't know. I think it might, you know. I think it might. If that does, then I'm amazed. Because usually it don't. But that, yep. Look at that, eh? I mean, you got to thank DJI for these amazing feats that they can do with these drones now. So anyway, while that's just rested a minute, hope you enjoyed that. Short test, but I think an important one, especially the second one, because I've had it happen to me a few times where the controller just packs up. Maybe it's lack of power, I don't know. But it does do that sometimes. We lost the signal and the drone comes back. But hopefully that makes you feel more confident. But the first one, I think, is just another amazing test where you can send it in quite low. And usually when you do return to home, the drone just goes right up. But there it knew where it was. So, as always, there's going to be another video coming very sooner.